Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this Shopify series video section, we are going to learn today how we add the products in our Shopify theme, how we can implement the several products and add images, price, variants. So here we are going to our admin sections. Here there's empty product, and yeah, go to home section first. Yeah, then the product section for adding the products. As I saw, we empty products, go to add products. If we hit the add products, is go to our add a new product section. Here we going to title, we can add here title, it should be test, or you can add your product name. I am going to just implement. I am going to grab the description from Lawrence website, which is the dummy text provider, and I just copy the paragraph text and hit the and just paste it over there. This is the description section. You can editable, it's going to bold or giving the several information. Underline section, we can add the link, we can add make them bold characters, and we going to paragraph. It's going to be large, so it should be now for paragraph. So and we can add the image here. Now if we add the image, it should be the product image or upload v file. So I am going to just add an image. Yeah, it's take a time little bit. Yeah, we got our image file. If we select, we're going to alt, we can add the alt our image tag, which we basically helpful for SEO. Change the size. Okay, here's the media section. We can add the several images, more than one or two. Yeah, I am at 3 images. And this is the price. We can add the price here. We can add the compared price, what it should be, and we can add our custom SKU, or it will be generate a default SKU. And for this, I add a test SKU, or it's would be generated a default, and available is the quantity of what we have a product quantity. We can add the weight, what we have a weight of the our product. If I add a 2, it should be 2 kg, or you can change the parameter gram and something. You can select the region, which is the provided by custom information, the Shopify information. You can add the variants. Here is our size. If I size a medium, yeah, if I have medium, add another options. We can change the medium price, what it should be, our SKU, or we can add another options. Color, if I got color any product just like yellow, we can add another options, that is material. So we can add our variant. Go into edit SEO section. This is the SEO page title, this is the description. You can change over there, or you can change the permalink of the your product name. If I could this name is new. If I save the hit button, or you can select the template file, your what your product should be like, just you can create, add your tags, add your collections. Yeah, if I add my tags, I add a custom tag. Going to collection select, you can select the collection of what product is such type of. There is several options, work organizations of vendor. If I what is our product draft or active, if I save the active, then product is our active. Yeah, is the material can't be blank, so it should be on variant sections, which you have to blank empty, it not should be. I just going to remove it, and yeah, save the button. When I save the button, our product is saved. Yeah, that's it so easily. Congratulations, you added your first product. Going to, you can see preview and our product. So what's look like, this is our text product. So this is our product section. We added a product successfully, and we can see the image, we can see the how we add the product. You can easily see it. We can buy, add to cart. This is the quantity section.